Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I did. What about you?
Yes, I had a good sleep too.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 o'clock.
That's early.
Yes, I like waking up early.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, I did.
Did you take a bath?
Yes, I took a bath.
What's for breakfast?
Bread, eggs, and tea.
Sounds delicious.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What are you doing today?
I'm going to work.
What time will you leave?
Around 9 a.m.
Don't forget your lunch.
Thanks for reminding me.
Where is your bag?
It's on the table.
Do you have your keys?
Yes, I do.
Is your phone fully charged?
Yes, it's ready.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
Drive safely.
I will.
See you in the evening.
See you later.
Welcome back.
Thank you, it was a busy day.
How was work?
It was good.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little.
Sit down and relax.
Thanks.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
What's for dinner tonight?
Rice, vegetables, and curry.
That sounds great.
Let's eat together.
Sure.
The food is delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you for cooking.
My pleasure.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
I'll finish my work and then relax.
That's a good plan.
It's getting late.
Yes, let's sleep early.
Good night.
Good night, sweet dreams.